In this video, we will show you how to create poll in WhatsApp. To create a poll in WhatsApp, it's very easy. For example, in here, we will create a poll in group, or you can also create a poll with person. Okay, this is for example of our poll. To create a poll in WhatsApp, just click this. Okay, just click this and select poll. Now you can create a poll. For example, let's trip to in here for polling beach, and the second mountain, and the last is for example in village. Okay, then you can also adjust how the people can vote with multiple answer or not. Okay, usually in our group is more than one people, so you can also limit it. The people can only poll one, okay, one options. Okay, so we can just turn off this and click send here. Okay, after that, every people just can poll one of the option. For example, mountain like this, and we cannot select more than one option. How if we can vote the one more options? For example, here, okay, number. Let's just make it simple. 2 and 3. When we enable this allow multiple answer, okay, then click select. We can choose more than one option like that. But if above, we can only select one like this. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to create poll in WhatsApp. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.